lock with the attack.
Sir.
The first one is change the stance, just a kicking, punching, locking, turning.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Keep him in one place one time.
Yes, sir.
Alright? Now, I'm coming from here, but this is going to come from top, slash, like that. Here. Okay? Keep on. Up there. Top, slash, here, up. Right, keep it up. One time, slow, slow. If you want to switch the stance, switch on. See, I'm using a pump because I fight this way. I punch this way. Okay? So it means I'm trying to make him counter. So if I do this, I come in, he's going to counter.
Yes, sir.
All right?
Yes, sir.
So I'm coming to this point, and I'm moving off the point.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So now he's got to adjust his stance, and now we'll turn him up.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how are we going to use it? Move in.
1,
Punch.
2.
Overwhelming punch, not this punch.
Yes, sir.
Right? Just punch. I mean, he can't counter, you see lock right there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so lock started early. It's leverage. Okay? Hook in the joint, rotation. By moving backwards, I'm moving forward. Same thing, all right?
Yes, sir.
Backward step, forward turn. Can we do it?
Yes, sir.